Good morning. Beautiful day. So we are here at 2435 Dickens Drive in Aurora. That's 60503. We're in the Lakewood Valley subdivision. And let's see what we have here. We have a one-car garage, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. New open house protocols. And let's see. We come inside. Again, our open house procedures. Purell, booties, extra face masks, and gloves. And my setup. So here's the main living slash family room area. Alright. Behind that door is the one-car garage. Here, we'll take a quick look. Just a regular garage. Alright. We're going to go upstairs in a minute to the bedrooms. But let's come over here. We're following through the family room area. We have our kitchen. Beautiful tile. Lots of cabinet space. Dishwasher. Nice floor tile as well. It's a very well maintained townhome. Pantry. Again, we are at 2435 Dickens Drive in Aurora. The elementary school is Wolf's Crossing. The junior high school is Bernardic, and the high school is Oswego East. Taxes are a little over $3,500. This is a half bath here. Association dues $224. This just came on the market. Got it listed at $170. 2-story townhouse. Let's come up the stairs. There's a washer and dryer. And again, we are upstairs, so that's always nice. Guest bedroom. Or kids' bedroom. It's a really large bedrooms. Walk-in closet. Kids' bath. And then we come into the master. It's a king-size bed. So again, it's Kurt Clements with Graham Real Estate Group, Keller Williams Infinity. We're at 2435 Dickens in Aurora, 60503. You go to the Oswego School District, 308. Looking at $170 for a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Beautiful master bathroom, by the way. Townhome, 2-story. Association dues $224 a month. Annual tax is a little over $3,500. All right, that is it for our. Actually, let's go back here. That is it for our video today, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.